What if creating game assets, cinematic cutscenes, or even full animated scenes didn't require a full team, expensive software, or weeks of production time? In today's world, building high-quality animation for games or content creation is still a complex and time-consuming process. From designing characters to setting up environments and rendering final scenes, everything takes effort, tools, and experience. But what if you could simplify all of that into a single workflow? What if you could literally turn one sentence into a complete animation? This is where OiiOii comes in. It's an AI-powered platform that helps you create game assets, trailers, cutscenes, and cinematic animations in one place. Instead of juggling multiple tools and roles, you can focus on your idea while the AI handles everything from planning visuals to generating the final result. Whether you're building something for a game, social media, or storytelling, this changes how fast and easily you can create. And you can also find tool link in description. Let's get started. After clicking the link, you'll land on this page. And this is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find a powerful chat box where you can simply type your idea to generate results. The best part is that it's powered by the latest Seedance 2.0 model. And you also get access to over 150 styles for your content creation. And you can even explore inspiration directly from here. Now let's try something. I want to create a high-quality cinematic environment that can be used as a game asset or a cutscene. This will help show how quickly you can generate ready-to-use visuals for games without complex tools or long workflows. So I will just add my prompt here. Like cinematic 3D game environment, dark fantasy battlefield, highly detailed terrain, dramatic lighting, volumetric fog, ultra-realistic textures, wide-angle camera, game-ready scene, epic atmosphere. Then I will click on styles. And here you have a lot of styles like K-pop CG, Piltover City, Cowboy Gaming, Pixel Valley 3D, Chibi Minecraft, and many more. I will pick Game CG, and also you can add your own character into my assets, and then just hit Generate Now. Instantly starts working on my project. And you can see this world's most powerful animation canvas with AI Chat Director power now. First, it generates a visual preview, and as you can see, it already looks amazing. I'll go ahead and add it here. This looks really good. Now, the AI automatically saves my character into its memory, so I can reuse it later for consistency across different scenes or projects. It also starts asking a few smart questions, like whether I want to add more details, import another image, or refine certain elements. All I need to do is respond directly in the chat box based on what I want, and the AI continues improving the result. This is where the real power of OiiOii comes in. Just by interacting through simple chat, most of the work gets done for you. And with the custom canvas, I don't have to regenerate the entire video. I can simply select a specific part, adjust it, and regenerate only that section while keeping everything else unchanged.
The ash never settles here. It just waits.
This kind of output can be used in multiple ways. For example, you can use it as a game asset, integrate it into a cutscene, or even turn it into a short cinematic sequence for trailers or content creation. It's flexible enough to fit different use cases depending on your project. Now, I want to create a short cinematic story animation that can be used for content creation, especially for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or storytelling videos. This is a great way to show how easily you can turn a simple idea into a complete animated scene that's ready to publish. So I'll just add my prompt here. Something like, generate a cinematic anime-style short story about a lone warrior walking through a ruined city. At sunset, with an emotional atmosphere, dramatic lighting, slow camera movements, a detailed environment, storytelling visuals, high-quality animation, and a film-like composition. You can also upload your own content directly from your device if you want to guide the visuals or include your own assets. Next, I'll select the style from here based on the look I want. Once I click Generate, the AI starts by creating a visual preview based on my prompt. After that, It asks me a few simple questions to confirm details, and I can quickly approve or adjust anything if needed. The whole process is very easy and interactive. Once everything is confirmed, it continues building the full animation by adding scenes, transitions, music, and visual effects automatically. It basically handles all the heavy work in the background, while I just guide it through simple inputs. And within a few moments, the final video is ready. Let me play it so you can see the result.
Even in the graveyard of the old world, a pulse remains. Keep shining, little one. We all have our posts to hold.
So as you can see, this makes the entire process of creating animations, game assets, and cinematic scenes much faster and easier. Whether you're building something for games, content creation, or storytelling, this workflow gives you a lot of flexibility without needing complex tools or a full team. If you want to try it yourself, make sure to check the link in the description. New users who sign up using my link will get extra credits as a bonus, so you can start creating right away.